Brianna Altice appeared in court in Bountiful again on Monday, March 30th. The former Davis High School teacher has been charged with having sexual relationships with 3 underage students.
All of them trusted her.
14 felony charges, in part rape and unlawful sexual activity with a minor. Now, a scheduling conference was also put on the books today.
Are denied, and that the other bad acts evidence.
Lawyers for both sides will be meeting again to schedule further hearings in April.
Made as a result of police coercion. Lie, exaggerate, or misrepresent the evidence they had against defendant. Based upon the findings that I have made, I'm denying the defendant's motion. Relates, to this issue. This is not a situation. The State of Utah versus Brianna Altice, case number 131-70200.
Susan Hunt, attorney for the state.
Okay, and what is the defendant's reason for entering the plea?
Exactly the same reasons.
Okay.
It's to resolve a case that would have an uncertain outcome if we were to try it.
I understand that there's been a statement of defendant in support of the guilty plea. Ms. Altice, you've heard what the attorneys have stated. Is this what you wish to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you had a chance to read the statement of defendant in support of the guilty plea?
I have, yes.
The case that you recited from 2015 will be dismissed with prejudice, and the preceding information will be dismissed with prejudice as well. Prepare a plea statement for that.
Okay, is that the agreement of the state?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay,
The state realized that we would have some issues trying these cases all separately, and we feel that that this resolution does meet the needs of justice, but also lets us deal with the risks that we have should the cases go to trial. We have been in contact with the victims in these cases, and they're all supportive of this plea agreement.
I think she understands if there is not any agreement whatsoever with respect to what the sentence would be in this case, and then both parties are free to argue whatever it is they think is appropriate.
Okay, you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you've read and understood the statement of defendant in support of the guilty plea, is that correct?
Yes.
Do you have any questions you want to ask me before I take your plea?
No.
Abuse, also a second-degree felony, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And finally, count 3, forcible sexual abuse, second-degree felony, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I will accept your plea of guilty or previously in case number 131-702-0004 will be dismissed, as well as case 151-700-044 will be dismissed. Okay, I'm going to just keep her in custody until the date of sentencing.
Tice pleaded guilty to having sexual relationships with 3 different students. At today's sentencing, she vowed to change her actions and then focus on her children.
Certainly was released, and they determined that that was something that they didn't want to do any longer. But I want you to know that those people are.
Okay.
Look at the defendant's conduct in connection to these 3 students, and I want to briefly go over each of them because I think it's meant today as far as this being a mistake and allowing these lines to be blurred.